Ma'am, there is a giant buck in your field and I'd like your permission to go hunt him.
Oh, really? Which deer is it?
It's the one with a double drop tine. Easily a 200-inch deer.
Oh, you're talking about Bullwinkle. Such a lovely animal.
Yes, ma'am, very lovely. Is Mr. Bullwinkle huntable?
As in you want to unalive him?
Yeah, I'd like to go shoot him with my bow.
Have mercy, no. That deer's like a pet to me.
Okay, is there anything I can do to change your mind?
Well, I have been feeling kind of lonely since Edgar passed, God rest his soul.
Yeah, anything but that.
I tell you what, I saw this guy on social media that turns deer into beautiful